Hey friends, my name is Ryan and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Geek Forensic. Now, today's quick video, I'm going to speak once again about Excel, and this is still for absolute beginner. And again, if you are someone who works as a data analyst for so many years, then you might think that this video is not a good fit for you. But again, if you still wanted to watch my video, please don't skip. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and kill that subscribe button, and also hit a like, and also leave a comments. Okay, so let's go ahead and have some fun. Now, what I have in my screen is a workbook, and I have two sheets open, sheet 1 and sheet 2. In sheet 1, I have like a simple table that consists of three different columns. Column 1 or column A is my employee, column B is their position, their ranks, and then column C, as you can see, is for their salary. Now I have five different names, John, Chris, Rosemary, Ed, Jason, and John. And in the position, so I'm gonna have to make a drop down here so that um, you just have to click and then select their position. Now the way we do that in Excel is by the use of Excel data validations. So here I am. I'm going to show you how to make a data validations. So first things first, position. We have four different positions so far. We have IT manager, system admin, developer, and we have QA. And in column B is their salary. Okay. Now you just have to select these cells from cells A2 all the way to A5, and from here you can give a name. I'm gonna have to choose position like that, and then hit enter. Okay, so going back to our sheet 1, just select these cells, or this one, just select this cell, and then click in data tab, and go to data validation right here. Select data validation, and from here, from allow, so let's click this drop down and choose list. And from the source, you can either target that name that we just created, and I think that was position. Make sure you have a equal sign and then position, and then click OK, and you can see that we have a data validation right now. Now, in this cell, it doesn't have a drop down, so we have to copy this. Copy that, okay? And then for the salary, let's use the conditional formatting. And the way we do that is by using this one, and just equal sign, and then let's have Vlookup. Okay. And then the lookup value is the B3, comma, table array, this one here, just copy that, comma, column in this number, that's going to be 2, since we will be displaying the salary, and the salary is in column 2 in our table, comma, and then you have two more options left, true or false. So the range lookup should be false, and then close it. Okay, now it says NA because um, uh, there's no position here. So if you choose system admin, it's gonna say 45,000. If you choose developer, it's gonna say 40,000. And if you remove this developer, it's gonna say NA. And to fix that, you just have to use the if error and comma here, to code, and closing parentheses, and that's it. That's how you remove the error. All right. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.